there. Well, as you all know, I'm Burt Furness. I'll be taking over the one show from now on. Been trying to get rid of that tour guy for a while, so pretty excited to be here in front of you guys. So the bike is actually a karaoke lounge inside.
It's got a karaoke built in, so it's also like a center for like community joy, and we also collect immigrant stories in it. So,
is this a thing in the Philippines where people do this? Is it fairly common?
Not at all. Yeah, that's right.
It's a little before 6 a.m. in the morning, Monday morning. We're heading home. Thank you, Sarah and Troy and Huxley, for the wonderful accommodations. We really appreciate it. We enjoyed Portland a great deal.
At a rest stop. Can't really see how pretty it is. Check that out. So pretty. You made me really smell so dirty. Really dirty.
I have a parcel for you, frame maker.
All right. Special delivery.
Special delivery.
I like it.